Hello friends, in this video we will see how to change the color theme or the background color in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, I have already opened Visual Studio Code, okay, and now what you need to do is, so on the main tabs, okay, you have to go to view, okay, so click on view and click on command palette here, okay. Now what you need to do is, now you have to write color theme. So now when you write color theme, it starts showing this preferences color theme. Okay. So alternatively, you can also press this button on the keyboard. Okay. Command K, or you can use Command T, right? So that will also pop up the same thing. So just click on color theme. Okay. And now you see the various options like light, Visual Studio, light plus quiet light, solarized light, like this. So let me try. So this one. So now not much difference. Okay. Let me try a different themes. Command palette color theme. Let me see solarized light. See, it looks like this. Now similarly, let me try with another one. Say command palette color theme, and let me say tomorrow night blue. So it looks like this. Okay. So you can just explore, okay, other options, okay, which you think, okay, you're comfortable using, okay, while coding. Okay, so there are a lot of options, okay, that you can use from here. So one more we will try. So let's say this one. So yeah, so these are the various okay, color options, okay, that are available to you, okay, which you can use as background in Visual Studio. So thanks for watching.